Alright, we're back. So I got a nice long radius going in here now. See how this one here is more sharp coming up. Comes up straight, makes kind of a turn that goes around. This one here, I see I got a nice long radius going up the whole thing. And I put a new disc on it so it's nice and flat all the way across. So hopefully that's enough to do the trick. Can't take much more off, it won't shift. Maybe. I'm not sure. All of this stuff affects the shifting, so take too much off, it won't shift, I guess. It's already not shifting. What are we losing? Probably not much. Pretty good at doing this, ain't I? Lots of practice. Bolts get tighter, not looser. Alright, where's it at? Let's make sure it shifts first. Makes me feel important. Nope, not in all the way. Is that time? Something changed there. It's been following by hand. See if it's shifted different now. Yep. Tighten things up a little bit. Oh well, we'll live with it. Okay, washer. Still hang up on the stuff. Okay. Shifter's still in there. So there's no in and out at all. Third, fourth, third, fourth, third, fourth, second, third, fourth. Shaft has to be all the way out though. There's no extra float when it's all the way down. See up here you got a lot of float. See that moving back and forth. When you got it all the way down, there is no movement at all. So if you don't have this lever all the way against the shoulder here to keep it from going in, it'll bind when you shift. When you move it all like that, it won't shift. So push it this way and try to shift it. See, it doesn't want to go. It doesn't go until it drops down. It slides over and it drops. So it's shifting consistently. That time, for a second, or a third, I mean, that low. Oh, we're in low right now. There's low. Come on, where's second at? There we go. Dogs have to line up. Third, fourth. Third, fourth. Second gear. Third, fourth. Come on. That's low. Oh, second, I guess. There's low. Neutral. Alright, it's shifting, kind of. Alright, so we made the parts work. We just have to grind the piss out of everything and make it work. There's our end play here. I'm pushing in and I have just a little bit. I don't know if you can hear a little clunk clunk. So a couple thou in there. And down here, a little bit down there. Alright, if I go like this, should gain me a few more thou probably. Yep, about double it. Okay, so that all looks pretty good. Okay, I don't usually Loctite these bolts. I'm going to go ahead and Loctite these right now. Everything appears to be in there where it belongs. I'm going to attempt to get this washer up. I think I can do that with a screwdriver. Lock tab. Yep, there it goes. Some over here also. Okay, that's in. So it took a day and a half to do put the tranny in. No problem. We got another hour, an hour and a half. We're going to start today. Got about an hour and a half today, and I got about 5.5 or so left today. Yeah, not bad for a half-hour job. Yeah, pretty quick. So experience really pays off for getting these jobs done quick. See? Yeah, I'm using blue Loctite. I'll just charge the customer an extra $500, see if he's happy. Yeah. No chance of that's going to be? About none. Yeah, definitely the worst training I've had to do. Worst pinion shaft, worst transmission. Cranks being a pain. Cams are about normal. A little bit of a pain, no big deal. Yeah, nice good motor. And 0 miles on it since someone else rebuilt it. I think maybe they would have fixed it, right? Obviously they couldn't. Well, he didn't know. He thought it was done. It wasn't done. He had a problem with the tranny, so he knew there was something wrong with that. Too well. Okay, so we're going to put the appropriate torque on these bolts so you can break something. Maybe about that much. Now, these are 1 inch long instead of those short ones like stock uses. So that means I can torque them more, right? This lower one, you gotta be careful. The boss will actually split in half and break off if you over torque it. Still gotta tighten it down though. Fine line between over torquing and tight. Okay, so everything seems to be good to go on the tranny. Alright, tranny is in. Woohoo, whoopee. Alright, let me get all my stuff cleaned up. We'll be back.